Welcome to Capriza. This video will explain what an anchor is and when to use anchors to strengthen a control. Let's begin with defining an anchor. Anchors are elements that always or often appear in the same relative location to a control and can help Capriza more easily locate that control on the web page. Capriza automatically adds anchors as you grab certain controls, and anchors can also be added manually to help increase the web element ranking. The most common reason for using anchors when strengthening is dynamic text. For example, in this source application, the item's title is fully dynamic. Therefore, the answer to the question, "What text remains the same?" is none, and answering facts will not raise the control's rank. In this case, it makes sense to define an anchor by clicking Add New Anchor in the Identification tab. The best anchors have strong indicative text and are located close to the control. Here, the back button is a good anchor as it is located nearby and the text does not change. Note that you may further strengthen a control by answering facts about its anchor. As long as an appropriate anchor is selected, there is no need to add additional anchors to the control. For the purchase order field, the text is partially dynamic, as the text purchase order always remains the same. In this case, you can answer some to what text remains the same and indicate which text does not change. We can also reuse an existing control to be an anchor for another control. For example, as the dollar amount is fully dynamic, an anchor will be required for identification. The item title Industrial Supplies is identifiable based on the anchor we previously added and located near the control. Therefore, it will enable Capriza to locate the dollar amount control. For more information on strengthening and other topics, please visit support.capriza.com.